What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another motherfucking video. You know what I'm saying? Today, as you can tell by the title, we are installing LRB door delete panels. So, pretty simple setup. Instructions are pretty self-explanatory. I got this one stripped already. If you don't know how to do that, well, there's a forum for that. So, nah, just kidding. Oh yeah, but make sure to unplug your switches and stuff. I put it back in so that way, car's not plugged in, idiot. But yeah, that way you could I could lower my windows and stuff for now. But this is the panel right here, super clean. I mean, I already have all my dirty ass freaking fingerprints on there. But yeah, this thing is super clean. Let me show you how I did this one already. This is the end result, right? I couldn't put this panel, this little door piece on. I don't know if you're supposed to or not. I think I've seen in the pictures you can. Maybe I just had misalignment issues or something. I was able to put this one really easy. Don't mind the dirt right there. This car recently just caught on fire, if you guys didn't know from my last few videos. But yeah, this door latch, super clean, pretty strong. I don't think I tightened this all the way, but comes with clips. This part you do have to reuse from your original door panel. And yeah, you reuse your switch here, your door handle there, and I mean, it's really it. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, get your hardware, right? It'd be cool if you could get this on like a table, so you could kind of reach both sides of these. You're gonna have your clips, your screws, nuts and bolts, you know, yada yada. So you're gonna have these to go through here. You're gonna have these to go through each one of these, to go through the OEM ones. And then you're gonna have this for your handle that you're gonna pull, whichever color you want. And so it should be the same. So we got those two. So next step is to obviously get all your switches out of here. I don't know if I could do this with one hand. Oh yeah, you can leave this here. Just make sure to leave that outer part out. And you're basically going to come here, right? You're going to make some room. You get this in here. Oh, could honestly just go straight up. Okay, or not. Anywho, you're going to be going like this. God damn it. Hold on. Am I doing this right? Yeah, it should be like this. So basically, it's going to be like this. Right, nice and flush. And then you're gonna get the plate that goes over this, and then that's when you screw it on. So let me get that plate for you, and then show you what it looks like. Okay, actually, I looked at the other one. It's been a few months since I actually did that last panel over there. Whoa, hello, panel. You don't go from the bottom, you go from the top. So it's gonna sit like that, right? And then that's when you get your other panel, and then you put it on top. So let me get that right now. Okay, so here's the piece. This is going to come inside your kit. Super simple, right? You just literally put it right over that, right? This is going to, I think, hold on. It's supposed to click in here, I think. But if not, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, so it's going to look just like this when you're all done. So let me put these two screws in, little bolts. And then get these, come from the bottom, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. So, okay, so once you got your switch in here, got your two nuts and bolts in there with your little panel on top, what you got to do next is go to your door panel, the one you took off, right? You go here, go on the back, and the point is to take this off, this little weather stripping. So the easiest place to do that, easiest way, is I think, okay, so these should just pop out like this, right? You just pull it up. Okay, so when you do that, all right, once you have that, you have these little things here. They're very delicate, you know, you could bend them really easy. What you want to do is straighten them out. Straighten every single one out. And LRB put these tiny little slots in here. You see those? Right here, here. So all you simply do is slide this in, and once it's in, you bend it over. That's literally all you're doing. So let me show you what that looks like. You can see it's right there. All you're gonna simply do is bend it so it locks in, just like a freaking envelope. Those yellow ones, so simple. Gotta love it. Just like that. And then you're pretty much ready for install. Bam, just like that. Make sure to take this out. It's 2 10s or Phillips, and then reuse one of these holes with that big screw that you had, the one that they give you. Let me see, this one right here. So let me take that little piece off and put it in. All right, next step, before you install these, and you have this all in, and you have this out, this little bracket that I just showed you. Oh, no, that bolt's goodbye. Put this in, and before you put these on, make sure to plug in your switch. Last thing you want is to struggle lining these holes up, putting the clips in, and find out you have to fucking take it out. So plug this in. Now, next is just to get these in here. Oops, hello. Line it up. Simply push it in like that, and then you lock it in. Bam. Just like that. Now, to do it for the rest of them, simply push for the first part, then you final clip, just like that. All right, put all of them in, then you get your, so that bolt, that little L bracket that you had just taken off, there's a hole in there. It's hard to see, but you use that long screw I showed you to put your strap, your handle strap right there. And after that, that's pretty much it. So let me put these clips in, screw this in, and show you what it's looking like. All right, so after getting lucky, getting this on, bam, you're all set, man. Like I said, it's that simple. I mean, they give you extra bolts, extra clips. It just doesn't get any easier than this, fellas. So make sure to drop a like, make sure to subscribe, comment, let me know what I should do better, what you guys want to see. Let me know if you learned something. If you didn't, sorry, not sorry. But yeah, stay tuned, because we're getting this old crusty rear seat covered with that delete by LRB. So shout out to LRB for making such a sick freaking panel. Make it super easy. I do have plans with these. I will be either wrapping them black or painting them black, because I have this sick idea of what I want to do that I haven't really seen anybody else do in interiors yet. So stay tuned, and follow me on my social, IG broski707, same thing as my YouTube, but without the space. So yeah, peace. See you guys at the next one. Thank you for watching.